Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to use the Copywriter ChatGPT plugin that you can use to get sales copywriting suggestion for any sales page, and all you have to do is provide a URL for any sales page you have. Alright, before I will show an actual example on how to use the Copywriter ChatGPT plugin, I just want to let you know that I have a full tutorial on this ChatGPT plugin that you can read and learn more about some of the use cases of this ChatGPT plugin, and I also share some of the best prompts you can use the Copywriter ChatGPT plugin with. So if you are interested in more details about this plugin, make sure to check out the article I have linked in the description below. And you can also get access to a complete database of all currently available ChatGPT plugins that can be installed from the ChatGPT plugin store. You can search this plugin database by category, plugin name, description, and get quick access to ChatGPT plugin video tutorials, the best use cases and prompts for all available ChatGPT plugins. The database can be downloaded for free, but you can also support the maintenance and the frequent updates of the database with a small donation. Any support is appreciated. You can get access to this database by using the link in the description below. But now let's see how to use the Copywriter ChatGPT plugin. Before you would be able to use the plugin, of course you have to make sure that the plugins feature is enabled in your ChatGPT account. To be able to enable the plugins feature, at the time of recording this video, you have to have a ChatGPT Plus subscription, so you can access GPT-4 in your account and you can enable the plugins feature. Once the feature is enabled, you have to click on the top left corner to New Chat, then select GPT-4 from the model selector and select plugins. Then we have to install the Copywriter ChatGPT plugin. As it's installed for me, all I have to do is scroll down here, click on plugin store and search for Copywriter and install the plugin. And last but not least, we have to enable the Copywriter ChatGPT plugin to be able to interact with it and get some sales copywriting recommendations. And to enable a plugin, just check the checkbox next to the name of the plugin. Alright, so we're gonna use a real simple example. As I have mentioned, I have this ChatGPT plugin database. It now contains more than 500 plugins, but when you are watching this video, it might be over 1000 plugins. And as a premium feature of this database, I also sell this plugin database with more than 5000 example prompts. And I have a sales page here. This is a Gumroad sales page. And let's say we want to improve the sales copy and the sales copywriting of this landing page. So then all we have to do is copy the URL of this page. Then all we have to do is paste the URL. So as you can see, this is the URL of the ChatGPT plugin database sales page. And all we have to add is provide suggestions to improve the sales copy at, and then the URL of the page. Then all we have to do is click on send message. So as you can see, you don't have to use any kind of fancy function or code. You can use natural language, and ChatGPT is clever enough to know that if the Copywriter ChatGPT plugin is enabled and you add a prompt like this, it has to use the Copywriter ChatGPT plugin to come up with recommendations on how to improve the sales copy of your landing page or sales page or squeeze page or funnel page to be able to improve the conversion rate of that page. And this is what the plugin has come up with. So as you can read here, business sales copy provided. Here are some suggestions to improve it using the AIDA model, which is the attention, interest, desire, action copywriting framework. So based on attention, the headline ChatGPT plugin database is clear and straightforward, but it could be more engaging. Consider making it more dynamic and appealing to the reader's needs or interests. For example, unlock the power of ChatGPT. Then it also gives some recommendation based on the interest, the desire, and the action framework. So all in all, I think this is a really useful plugin for anyone who has written a sales page or who wants to improve their sales page that already have been created to improve the conversion rate. And this plugin is currently absolutely free to use, and you're gonna get some great sales copy improvement suggestions. If you want to learn more about other plugins that can be used for not only for copywriting, but for content writing, blog post writing, marketing, SEO, but not just marketing and SEO, but finance, business, productivity, cryptocurrency trading, stock trading, scientific research, and a lot more, I have a ton of tutorials on my YouTube channel that you can check out, and more are coming up, so make sure to subscribe.